Yeah, just this morning or last night around 8 p.m. I started trying to figure out how to get the custom VP textures that Skills came up with to work in game. Um, I was up until around 4 a.m. trying to figure it out, and I was getting severely pissed off, and I had to switch computers because I kicked it by accident. So I'm on my crappier one right now. Anyway, okay, let's just say that you have all of these DDS files from Skills. And DDS, if you guys don't know, that's the format that Call of Duty uses. Um, so I would suggest you download the DDS to IWI COD converter, and then you just simply drag one of them on there, and it creates a new one. Should have been over here, but I already have it. So these are your files that you will need. So you copy those. You go to, oh, where is it? You go to your raw images. You paste them all in here. I already have them all. This was a learning curve. I kind of put all the DDS files in here too, and I put them several other places I can't remember. After that, you go to your compile tools. You go to Applications, Asset Manager. Then you go to File, New. You go down to Material, New Entry, BP logo 1. That should be World Fong. Sort should be multiplicative. Surface type, whatever, metal. Usage, sign, because it's going to be a sign. Test. You leave everything else. You even leave all of this stuff, and then you just go to Open. Desktop. Let's see, box. Okay, BP poster 1 .dds. So then you, okay. So after that, you just save it. Save it as you go to My Computer, C drive, Program Files, Activision, Call of Duty 4. Not the demo, Call of Duty 4. You save them in source data, and you save them as whatever, BP logo 1, and then you click save, and then you go up to PC convert current asset, and it should come up with conversion done. So then you close that, then you go to the level editor. Come on. Then you go open your map. See, here they are already. So then you go to textures, usage, sign. Now you see some of them. Then you go to local test, and you see all 8 or 9 of them, 9 of them. And then what you do is you just select one, add it into your map somewhere. Yeah. Voila. And then, of course, you take your time making it perfect and everything. Put borders or whatever around it, shit like that. Then you save your map, close your map. Then you go to level compiling. You compile the BSP files. Then you compile your reflections, you build your fast file, update your zone file, and then do not click run selected map. What you do after that is you go to your zone file, you go to your English file, you find your map, your fast file, and just make another folder somewhere in here, call it temporary, and then I already have them in here, I'll move them. You put them in the temp folder, and then you copy those, and you go up to your user maps, you make a new folder, call it your map name, you paste those in there, and then you have to make an IWD file. A lot of you guys, or a bunch of you should remember how to make those. You go to your desktop, you go to new folder, and you call it your map name. Then you make an images folder, a maps folder, materials folder, and an MP folder. In the images folder, you put the identity normal map that identifies all of the IWIs that you have in your map. In the maps folder, you should have a CSV file. I haven't figured that out yet. And then you have a subfolder called MP with your GSC file in there. Then you make a materials folder where you put, I'm not sure if you put the GDT files or the IWDs or what. I put both. Then you make a MP folder with an arena file, and then you click on these. You say add to archive .zip IWD. Then you say okay. I already have one. So then you copy that. Go to here, paste it in here. So what you did is you technically just got around the testing phase because your map is not in the zone files. So this the game will think that it is a complete map and it's going to go to the user maps. So what you have to do then is you have to open up your game. Open your game, go open your console. You should type in dev map name. It should say that it can't find it right here. It should say it. So what you have to do is you have to load custom maps or mod for warfare, whatever. It should work. Then you do it again, and it should load your map. So it's got the map all loaded up. So here we go. Yeah, I haven't quite figured out all of this shit yet, but there's a texture. There's a texture. There's a texture. There's a texture. And there's a texture. That's basically it. If you need more, let me know, I guess.